Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram chat theme change option not showing. So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, open your Instagram app, open your messenger, click on any friend, chat, and here you can see this is the option of theme change. When I am click on theme, so here you can see many of themes are available in this tab. So guys, if you can't see these themes, so I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start. So first of all, go back, open your app store and search here Instagram. Search it, click on Instagram and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. So if not updated, then you need to update it, and after update your Instagram will be fine and you will be able to see the option of theme change. So guys, if your problem is not fixed, then open your settings, scroll it down. So here you can see the option of general, click here, click on iPhone storage and scroll down, click on Instagram and click on offload app. Click here and click on offload, and after this go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if not fixed, then click and hold on Instagram and remove app. So after this, reinstall again from App Store and your problem will be fixed. So still your problem is not fixed, then I'll tell you the last method and 100% workable. So open your Instagram app and open your profile and click on three lines, click on settings and privacy, scroll it down. So after this, click on help and click on report a problem and off it, and go back, click on report a problem. So include and continue. So here you need to write your problem. So I am writing my problem. So my problem I have made and template. So here you can see copy and paste here. So here you can see this is my problem. Hi there, I am facing the issue of chat theme change option not found. Please solve this issue as soon as possible. Thanks. So here you need to write your username of your Instagram ID, and below you need to write your email address for contact purpose. So after doing this, click on send. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to see the option of chat change theme change. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.